Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure it has battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection because updates and toggles can trigger downloads. Once ready, open Settings and go to About Phone, then tap MIUI version. You do this to access update controls directly. Changing them from the system UI avoids accidental app-level overrides. Make a quick backup so you can restore if something changes. Now proceed to the Updater screen to control notifications and auto-download behavior. Once on the Updater screen, tap the three-dot menu or gear icon to expose preferences. You'll find auto-download and auto-install. Switch both off so updates won't fetch or install without your consent. Then locate the Update notification or Show notification toggle and turn it off to stop pop-ups. This prevents the system from alerting you every time a patch appears. You'll maintain control and pick when to update. Make sure the changes stick by exiting and re-entering the Updater to confirm. Finish by rebooting the phone and rechecking the Updater settings to ensure your toggles remained off. Some MIUI builds reset preferences after a restart. If notifications continue, go to Settings Right Arrow Apps, Right Arrow Manage Apps, find Updater or System Updater, and clear cache and data. Then reapply the disable switches. If that fails, you can disable the Updater app or use My Tools/permissions to restrict background activity. Remember, disabling updates increases security risk, so check manually for critical patches occasionally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.